In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to annotate documents in Stack, a powerful tool designed to assist you in managing your projects seamlessly. We'll walk through each step so you can confidently add annotations to your documents, making collaboration and understanding much easier. To begin, you'll need to go to the Stack login page. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the login portal. Here, enter your credentials as required to access the dashboard. Now that you're logged in, you should see your account profile. Click on it to enter your main workspace. This area is essentially the heart of your operations, where you manage and access your projects. Once inside your account, you'll see a list of projects. Click on the project you're currently working on. This step is crucial as accessing the correct project ensures you're annotating the right document. Within your project, locate and click on the Plans and Takeoffs tab. This tab is your gateway to viewing and managing the various documents related to your project. After clicking this, you'll find a View button. Give it a click. This button allows you to access detailed plans, setting the stage for any annotations you wish to make. Next up, you'll find an Annotation section. Clicking on this will open up a variety of annotation tools. First, let's explore the Highlight option. Use this tool to draw colorful boxes around text or areas that need emphasis. Remember, you can customize the color of the highlights to fit your project needs. Another useful feature is the Cloud tool. By clicking on Cloud, you can create cloud-shaped outlines on your document. It's particularly helpful for highlighting changes or areas of concern, and just like highlights, the cloud's color can be adjusted. For notes and additional information, the Callout tool is indispensable. This tool lets you create text bubbles on your document, perfect for adding context or drawing attention to specific sections. You can personalize the bubble's color and adjust the font size to ensure clarity. If you need to measure or visually represent distances, the Dimension Line tool is your friend. This allows you to draw a line showing linear distances, helping to provide exact measurements. Its color and size can be tweaked to fit your document's aesthetics. Looking to add written notes? Click on Text Box. This feature lets you add text notes anywhere on your document with adjustable font size and color to keep everything organized and clear. Finally, we have Legend. By clicking on it, you can place a color-coded legend directly on the document sheet. This is particularly useful for correlating takeoffs and totals specific to that sheet. With visibility options, you can turn these measurements on or off as needed. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to annotating documents in Stack. With these tools at your disposal, you're well equipped to enhance your project documents, making them more interactive and informative. Whether you're working alone or as part of a team, these annotations will streamline your workflow and improve communication.